200,000 unfulfilled manufacturing jobs in the U.S. today. And so when you talk about technology innovation and bringing attractive jobs back, it's important that you think about the workforce development programs. You know, where those jobs are going to be located. You know, the attractiveness of that job to an employee, potential future employee. And so there's a lot that goes in there. And then I think that was obviously very focused on, you know, very specific jobs, plumbers and, you know, mechanics, and these jobs that have to be fulfilled over the next several years. And it's something that we've talked about here and why we've really pushed digital tools and automation. And I think it gets demonized in some respects that you're just after efficiency and cutting heads. That's not the case at all. It's amazing what we've done with automation within our manufacturing plants, and how much, when I talk to employees, when I walk the plant floor and talk to them, the job satisfaction has grown significantly. They appreciate their jobs. We're training in digital tools, software development, ergonomics, and health and benefits. I mean, the change that we've seen with improvement in employees' health, you know, from an ergonomic standpoint, and the benefits that you see with quality and throughput obviously are significant. And so I think it's a combination, and I think that technology too, it's like every time we see an industrial technology that's really coming at us, we can look at it a couple of different ways. I see it helping us gap out the needs that are going to be vacant.
You were talking earlier about what products or jobs, or you mentioned that there are products or jobs you don't think we should bring back into the U.S. Can you give some more examples of what that looks like?
So I think trim cover assembly, like sewing, where you're sitting at a sewing machine for 10 hours a day, I don't know if that would really make the attractiveness here in the United States. I think wire harness assembly is a job that is something that is very tedious and mundane and tough. I think modular assembly, I think we actually have yarn capability here in the United States. I think we need to do more of that. I think that's great. I think structures is something that's great. We have technology and innovation around structures that can be onshore here in the United States. I think just-in-time assembly is a great job, great paying job, great benefits. So there's a balance there. I think there's great jobs that I think we can bring here in the U.S., and then there's other jobs I think if we're to prioritize, it would be something that we would put at the end of the line.